Welcome back. This is the second video in a series on exporting files from one DAW and importing them into another. In the first video, we exported 4 files, 3 audio and 1 MIDI file that were exported from Logic. And Logic actually converted all of those into audio files for us. And we're going to now import them into this nice handy-dandy Pro Tools session I've set up. So you can see I am in Pro Tools. And I have a blank session here. Here's my clips bin, so I have nothing going on yet, no tracks. So very simply, I'm going to go searching for these files. So I go under File. Now I want to import. And what I want to import is audio. And you will see that I have a menu of things I can choose from. So I'm basically going to go search for all of these files that I just recorded. And there's one, and if you click on Command, you hold down Command and click, you can choose which ones you want. So I've chosen the 4 that I exported, and Pro Tools reads them and they tell you what you need to do, and you need to convert. You can see this blue menu bar flashing. And so you press Convert, and these are the clips that you're going to import. You can see how Pro Tools has already converted them into the format that Pro Tools works best with, and you just click Done. It's going to ask you where you want to put the audio files. Just click OK, Open, and it will put them in the audio files folder for you. Okay, it's already processed. Now Pro Tools is going to ask you, do you want these on a new track, or do you just want them in the clips list over here? And finally, where do you want it to start? Session song? Is there a certain selection? Is there a certain spot? For right now, for this video, I would like to put them all on a new track, and they will be separate tracks, all at the session start. And I click OK, and all of a sudden, there are my tracks. And let's see if that's what we've got going. And there we go. So we are all ready to roll because we've got all of our files. It also might be helpful for you to rename these tracks. So if we go to this first one and solo it, we can hear what instrument this is or what track it is. So that's obviously our bass. So we can double click on the nameplate, write in bass. I believe these are vocals. This looks like it starts right at the top, so those would be drums. And we'll just go to the next one actually. And this was a synth that I used. And if you don't have the tracks in the right place, all you do is click. I'm going to have to undo this here. You can click and drag and put my drums first, my bass, my synth, and my vocals. And now I'm ready to work. So I would encourage you to give this a try so that you can become familiar working in both DAWs of Logic Pro and Pro Tools.